What up, guys? We back. Do you notice anything different, by the way? Finally, everything on the whip is fixed. I'm gonna drive. I'm going to the barber shop. I haven't been to the barber shop in such a long time. Today's the day. Yeah, buddy. Look, ding.
Vipi iliinuka juu kidogo? Si nimeona totale imepanda moshi.
Haijagwara.
Haijaguza. Poa.
Sawa.
Hii ready tamna hii pitisho mko sawa?
Gani?
Kesho natoka nayo ready.
Safi. So the car didn't scratch anymore. Anytime I used to leave the house, it was scratching that second ramp. I think going down, okay, the first ramp. Going down the second ramp, it still scratches kidogo, but we're alright. Madam. Love the way you can just his face was like, ew. She was like, why? Kwa nini napiga hiyo kelele? Kwa furaha zetu. Which route should I use? Ngong Road? Even though she's in shock. Hey. Usually they salute. Leo, oh. That was bad, I made a mistake there. Didn't indicate. last night I was driving on this road. It had rained like crazy, so this whole place essentially kwa tu maji. Iliingia kwa shimo ingine ngori. Chata tusiongee. Back on comfort when traffic. Just squeeze him after the 214. So sasa wenye walinunua gari za diesel so that they can save. Anyway, but the diesel cars are more efficient. But this is sick. 1, 2, 3 Bentleys, 2 S-classes, and the newest Range Rover, up front and candid. And then we have a few Ranges at the back also. Okay. Another AMG. Social media. Not bad. Let's see this other dealership, what they have here. Not bad. 600, LX600. Like a new E-Class. X5. A Range Rover, but it's not the newest one. I have a Patrol. Patrol looks boss. Hey. This is Lavington. Hey, Mr. Ndudi. Hey, what are you doing? I think because you got a red place, you gonna do this nonsense? No. Sorry ladies. Mtaacha hii mchezo. Mnafutana. Okay. Yo, hatuna ubaya sisi. Tuwe tu radi. Songong Road where we can in fact you can even open the exhaust now. this the last time I came here, this overpass wasn't completed. Looks good. So I wonder if it's actually solved the problem they are trying to solve. Cheza na nani bwana? Aren't we supposed to stop here, nigga? Lady, please. Huh? Nonsense. Coming back, for sure we're not using this route. Okay, this place also looks a bit different. Yes, buddy. I heard you. The name, but yeah, it's caused a lot of ruckus. I was gonna do something, but the Tita ain't doing nothing. Mr. 110. Taking no chasing now. This guy tailgating me. Jamaa amekimbiza gari yake bana.